Welcome. Let's get started. The first step is to navigate to your Bit integration dashboard. Click on Create Integration, and choose Bitform as the trigger. Then select the specific form that you created with Bitform. Next, choose Freshdesk as the action. Now, enter your Freshdesk app domain and app API key here. Once the authorization is successful, click Next, and proceed to map the required fields for the integration. After mapping the required fields, click Next and save the flow. Step 2. Once the setup is complete, please fill out the specific form that you created with Bitform and submit it. Step 3. Now, open your Freshdesk dashboard and verify that the submitted information has been successfully received as expected. If the test is successful, your Bitform to Freshdesk automation is now live.